Joseph's utility function is xa plus 2xp. Okay, so utility function of Joseph is xa plus 2xb. Xa denotes his consumption of apples, xb consumption of bananas. Clara's is 3xa plus 2xb. Joseph and Clara shop at the same grocery store. When we observe that Joseph leaves the store with some bananas, okay, so the idea is that Joseph's MRS is equals to half. So these are ICs of Joseph with slope half, like this, and Clara's ICs will have MRS equals to 3 by 2, so they will look like this. They will be steeper. Now, this is apple and this is bananas. This is apple, this is bananas. Now, when we observe Joseph leaves the store with some bananas, so we are observing that Joseph is buying bananas. Joseph is buying bananas means that the budget line should be flatter than the red line. Okay, when budget line is flatter than the red line, which means px upon py should be less than 1 by 2. Sorry, steeper than, should be greater than 1 by 2. Whenever green px by py is greater than half of pa by py, pa by pb is greater than half, implies Joseph buys banana. Okay, so pa by pb greater than half implies that Joseph will buy banana, and for Clara you have pa by pb greater than 3 by 2 implies Clara buys banana. Okay, so let me just draw all possible values of pa and pb. So pa by pb can go from 0 to infinity. The critical value for Joseph is half, and the critical value for Clara is 3 by 2. So Joseph, he buys bananas here. No, greater than half pe bananas. Okay, greater than half pe he buys bananas. So he buys bananas here, and he buys apples here. Clara, on the other hand, she buys bananas here, and she buys apples here. Okay, now so I am saying that I see Joseph buying bananas, so pa by pb could be anywhere here. So then we can deduce that Clara also buys some banana. It's not really necessary, because it's possible that pa by pb is here. In that situation, Clara should buy apples and not bananas. So A is not necessarily true. There exists price of apples and bananas such that both consumers buy strictly positive amounts of both goods. That is not possible. Yeah, tell me. No, I am saying okay, even if we buy some bananas, the price of bananas upon pa by pb should be half. When pa by pb equals to half, then he can buy he can spend any amount on apples and bananas. Okay, so even if it is half to infinity, in that situation it is, so I am not saying, I am saying that it is half to infinity, but but the other statement is I can deduce that Clara also buys some bananas. I cannot deduce that, because if pa by pb is here, then Clara will buy only apples. I cannot say for sure that what Clara is doing. So I know that he leaves with some bananas. I do not say he is leaving with only bananas or he is leaving with apples and bananas. Let's say I just see कि उसके हाथ में एक एक थैली था जिसमें बनाना था, दूसरी थैली में मुझे नहीं पता क्या था. It could be bananas, it could be apples. I do not know if he's actually bought apples or not. I'm not clear here that उसने apples खरीदा है कि नहीं खरीदा है. ठीक है, द पॉइंट इज कि उसने बनानास खरीदा है, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. सो पी ए बाई पी बी शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू हाफ. इन दिस रीजन क्लारा के बारे में मैं कुछ क्लैरिफाई नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज एक्चुअल पी ए बाई पी बी कुड बी हियर और इट कुड बी हियर. ठीक है, अगर हाफ भी ले लूँ मैं तो भी इट्स नॉट क्लियर फॉर मी कि अगर हाफ होगा तो फिर भी क्लारा विल नॉट बी बाइंग बनाना, शी विल बी बाइंग एप्पल्स, राइट. फॉर हाफ दिस इज एप्पल जोन फॉर क्लारा. ठीक है, सो A is definitely false. B is there exist prices such that both consumer buy strictly positive amount of both goods. That's not possible. Joseph will buy positive amounts of both goods if price vector is half. Clara will do that if price vector is 3/2. Okay, so it's not possible कि दोनों लोग साथ में ये चीज़ करें. Right. When we observe that Joseph leaves the store with some apples and some bananas, then we can deduce that Clara also buys some apples and some bananas. So I am saying अब apples and bananas दोनों लिया है जोसेफ ने. So I can be sure that this is PA by PB. So if this is my PA by PB, then Clara should actually buy just apples. This is the apple zone for Clara. So she should be buying only apples, no bananas. Then we can deduce Clara also buys some apples and bananas. So this is also false. D is, we observe Joseph leaves the store with some apples. Then we can deduce that Clara also buys some apples. So Joseph leaves the store with apples. So this is this region, which is actually a subset of the apple region. So if Joseph leaves with apple, even if it is some apples or completely apples, it is definite apple zone for Clara. So she will buy all apples. So it's all apples, some apples, she will buy apples. That is the point. So D is true. E is apples and banana perfect complement for Joseph. They are not. They are perfect substitutes. So the answer is D.